Hello, our art friend. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a T-Rex. So let's start drawing. First, draw a mirror image of the letter C. And extend the lower part with a curve at the end. Draw a curved line attached to the upper part. Then a letter C under it. And extend the lower part to make the smiley mouth. Then connect it to the curve drawn before to finish the T-Rex's smiley mouth. Draw a curve at the corner of the mouth. Then make a small curve at the top to draw the eye above it. Draw an upside down U shape and another bigger one on top. Then color the one inside, leaving a spot to show light reflection. Then color the curve on top for the eyelid. Draw another curve to make the other eye. Draw an upside down U shape. Another bigger one on top. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw half a circle inside for the iris. Another smaller one inside for the pupil. Color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Then color the upper curve for the eyelid as well. Draw a half circle above the right eye. Above the mouth, draw a small circle for the nostril, surrounded by two small lines. Repeat the same step to make another one. Draw triangular shapes inside the mouth for the sharp teeth. Draw a curved line coming down from the back of the head. Then going up again to start making the tail. Then draw a curved line coming down from the bottom of the head for the belly. Make two curves facing each other for the thigh of the T-Rex. Draw a curved line coming down from each side. End the one on the right side with the letter V and extend it upwards to make the toe. Make two similar toes, partially hidden behind one another. Draw a small curve at the end of each toe to make the toenails. For the other leg, draw a curved line coming down from the belly and a small one connecting the body to the toes. Then extend the line from the side of the toes. Then draw 3 toes similar to the previous ones. Draw a curved line coming out from the right leg to finish the tail. Draw 2 small lines coming out from the side of the body. And finish the arm by drawing pointy fingers. Draw a small line near the end of each finger for the nails. Repeat the same steps to draw the other arm. Inside the body, above the right leg, Draw a curved line coming down from the bottom of the head till the end of the tail, intersecting the arm and the leg. Decorate the belly part with some lines. Decorate the legs and the arms with thin lines at the side. Decorate the head, the back, and the leg with some oval shapes with different sizes. Roar, roar, I'm a dinosaur. Now we can draw a T-Rex. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.